Hi everyone, welcome to Max EC. We are discussing class 9 number system chapter. In this chapter already you learn visualize decimals on number line, and already we learned that root of irrational numbers. So irrational numbers how to represent on the number line also. ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Today in this class we will discuss to that how to represent square root of decimal numbers. So square root of decimal numbers, how to represent on the number line. So watch our channel regularly, like, share, subscribe our channel. Let's go to the section.
Represent root 6.7 on the number line. Root 6.7 on the number line. So you can draw the number line. And draw the number line. Each number you can mark that. Each 1 centimeter. You can mark the number line. So you can take 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can take 6.7. Okay, 6.7. So 6, this is a 0 to 6.7. 6.5, 6.6, 6.7. This is 0 to 6.7. A, B. Okay, A, B is a 6.7. Then you can take 1 centimeter more. So that is C. So AB equal to 6.7 centimeter. Then you can take ABC. BC equal to 1 centimeter. So you can take AC 6.7 plus 1, 7.7. So AC is 7.7 centimeter. Okay. Then you can find the mid of the AC. So AC you should find the mid value. So take 3/4, more than half of AC. More than half of AC. Upper and lower the two arc. Same point you can measure. You can measure point that A. Cut the arc. Okay. Join the line. This is the intersect the point D. Now we can measure AD or CD. Then AD or CD, you can draw the semicircle. Okay. Then that B point you can take 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. Okay, that is the point is E. Measure BE. Measure BE, then draw the arc. Draw the arc. That arc intersect the line, number line. Then you can measure the value B2. That is the point you can intersect the point. You can measure F. Then measure that BF. That is the root of 6.7 value. So measure that. That is 2.5. So that is 2.5. See the exact value, that is 2.5. So each measure you can take 1 centimeter exactly, means you can get the exact measure. So that is 2.5. Actually that is a measure is 2.58. In that we can get the similar measure only. 2.5 is the correct value. Represent root 3.5 on the number line. So we want to represent root 3.5 on the number line. So you can draw the number line first. So already we know that root 3, how can we represent on the number line? Now we want to represent root 3.5. So you can draw the line. So you can center is 0. And then we can mark to this side positive number, this side negative numbers. Okay. But in this root of decimal numbers you want to represent on the number line, you want to take both side positive numbers only. So this side 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then want to take 3.5. So 0 to, this is a 3 and this is 3.5. So 0 to 3.5. This is, you can represent A, this one B. Okay. So AB equal to 3.5. Okay. So you can take AB is 3.5. So what is our value? 3.5. So you can take AB equal to 3.5 and we can add a BC equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 we can take C. So now AC equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay. So first AB we should take 3.5. Then we can add to the 1 centimeter. Whatever it is, you can find the root value. Just add 1 centimeter. 6.3 and no 6.3 first you should measure. Then you can take 1 centimeter. Okay. So now AC is 4.5 centimeter. So AC is 4.5 centimeter. Now we can take the midpoint of AC. We should find the midpoint of AC. Find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು all. So 8th standard. So you can take AC point more than half of the line. More than half of the line. Then one arc and down one arc. Again same measurement. You can mark in place that A point A. Then cut the arc. Can bisect, join the intersect point. That is, you can bisect the point. So that is, you can make the point D, mark the point D. Okay. Now we can measure that AD or DC. So D is the midpoint of A and C. You can measure that AD or DC. Any one is equal. So D to A or D to C. Any one you can take, measure and draw the semicircle. Okay. Then in that point B. So AB is the exact value 3.5. Our 3.5 is AB only. AB is the 3.5. So in that point B you can take 90 degree. Okay. B point in the 90 degree. Then join the point to B. Okay. That B, we can join the line, intersect the semicircle at a point. Okay. Intersect the semicircle at the point E. Okay. then you should measure the BE. Measure to BE. Measure to BE. Okay, measure to BE, then draw a arc. Okay, now that is intersect the number line at the point F. So you measure B to F, that is measure B to F. Measure BF, that is root of 3.5 value. Okay, measure to BF, that is root of 3.5 value. We can get that. Value is, that is 1.8. So you can get 1.8. Okay.
Now children, you understood how to represent that square root of decimal numbers on the number line. So now you know that how to represent the irrational numbers and decimal numbers and square root of decimal numbers on the representing on the number line. So next class, let's discuss about the remaining parts of the number system. So regular ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.